At SKEMA Business School, we continuously push boundaries to prepare future leaders in global supply chain and procurement. Our MSc Global Supply Chain Management and Procurement is one of our flagship programs, designed to equip students with the strategic, operational, and international expertise demanded by today's global industries. And for the fall 2026 intake, the MSc Global Supply Chain Management and Procurement is evolving once again, bringing two powerful new experiences. Your journey will now begin with a 3-day leadership camp in the French Alps, an immersive expedition in nature designed to help you connect, collaborate, and step into leadership roles through real, hands-on challenges. Guided by professional coaches, you'll develop resilience, team dynamics, and true leadership, earning an additional certificate upon completion. And this year, we're strengthening our partnership with Harvard Business School Online and Harvard Business Publishing. Alongside the existing leadership course, you will now take AI Essentials for Business course, a cutting-edge module exploring how artificial intelligence is reshaping global operations. These two innovations will sharpen your skills and broaden your professional horizon, reinforcing your pathway towards a high-impact career. Innovative, global, future-ready. Join us and shape the future of supply chain management.